Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the delicious world of Vietnamese spring rolls. We'll start with fresh Gỏi Cuốn, show you what makes them crisp, herb-packed, and flavorful, and share tips to roll them perfectly at home. Let's get started. If you've ever bitten into a Vietnamese spring roll and thought, how can something this light taste so complete? You're not alone. Vietnamese spring rolls are loved because they hit a rare balance: fresh herbs, crisp veggies, tender noodles, and a sauce that ties it all together. You'll also see them called fresh Vietnamese spring rolls, rice paper rolls, and Gỏi Cuốn. Some menus even mix in summer rolls or egg rolls, which can get confusing fast. This guide clears it up. You'll learn the two main types, the key ingredients that make them taste right, how to roll them without tearing, the best dipping sauces, and the common mistakes that lead to soggy or bland rolls. Vietnamese spring rolls explained: fresh Gỏi Cuốn versus fried Chả Giò. Vietnamese spring rolls come in two main styles, and they feel like two different foods. One is cool and herb-forward, the other is hot and crunchy. Knowing the difference helps you order what you actually want, and it helps you plan the right one for your table. Fresh Gỏi Cuốn are rice paper rolls that are served cold or at room temperature. They're bright, clean-tasting, and built around herbs and crisp greens. They're best for warm weather meals, lunch prep on the same day, and platters where everyone can grab one and dip. Fried Chả Giò are rolled and deep-fried until crisp. They're richer and more filling, with a savory interior and a shattering shell. They fit parties, holidays, and nights when you want something hot and snackable. Restaurant labels don't always help. Many places call Gỏi Cuốn fresh spring rolls or summer rolls. Fried Chả Giò might be labeled Vietnamese egg rolls, even when the wrapper is rice paper instead of an egg-based wrapper. When in doubt, look for clues. Fresh usually means rice paper and no frying. Crispy or fried means Chả Giò. Fresh Vietnamese spring rolls, Gỏi Cuốn, cool, crisp and herb-packed. A classic Gỏi Cuốn filling is simple: shrimp or pork, rice vermicelli, lettuce, and a handful of herbs like mint and Thai basil. Cilantro and cucumber show up often too. The texture is the whole point. You get slippery noodles, crisp greens and aromatic herbs in one bite, like a salad you can hold. Because rice paper keeps softening over time, fresh rolls taste best soon after you roll them. After a few hours, the wrapper can turn chewy and the herbs lose their snap. They're also flexible. You can go vegetarian with tofu, keep them gluten-free by watching the sauces, or make them kid-friendly with fewer herbs and a sweeter dip. Fried Vietnamese spring rolls, Chả Giò, golden, crunchy, and great for parties. Chả Giò usually starts with a savory mix of ground pork or shrimp, glass noodles, mushrooms, and carrots. Some versions add onion, taro, or crab. The filling is seasoned, rolled tight, then fried until deep golden. Wrappers vary by style. Some cooks use rice paper for a bubbly, crackly crust. Others use wheat-based spring roll wrappers, which turn evenly crisp and are often easier to handle. A fun way to serve Chả Giò is Vietnamese style. Wrap pieces in lettuce with herbs, then dip. 2 quick tips matter later. Drain fillings well because wet filling makes steam and leads to splitting. Keep the mixture firm, not watery. Ingredients and prep: what you need for authentic Vietnamese spring rolls at home. That's it for fresh Gỏi Cuốn. Now you know the key ingredients, rolling tips, and how to keep your rolls from tearing or getting soggy. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll tackle crispy Chả Giò and dipping sauces that make them irresistible. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.